This is a broom, and if you stay with me for the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how you could trade in your proverbial flying broom for up to $30,000 in Halloween trade-in cash. Are you frightened with the thought of spending winter in the car or truck you're driving now? Does your current vehicle feel like a vampire because it's sucking every drop of gas you put in? Are the payments you're making slowly burying you alive in a high-interest graveyard? Do you get chills down your spine every time you get behind the wheel because you never know if parts are going to break off and make a monster hole in your budget? Well, I think you're due for a Halloween vehicle makeover. And I think our Halloween trade-up challenge is the perfect occasion because you could get up to $30,000 for the hearse you're driving now, so you can finally get the new vehicle you're dying to drive. Imagine yourself at the wheel of the Charger or Challenger with their monster engines, or something that makes you feel safe on our winter-haunted roads, like the Dodge Journey, Canada's most versatile mid-sized crossover, and its 50 safety and security features. Or Canada's best-selling minivan for over 31 years, the Dodge Grand Caravan, and its class-exclusive Super Stow-and-Go seating to help you fit in all your trick-or-treaters and their bags full of candy. Or something trail-rated, iconic, go anywhere, do anything type of vehicle, like the Jeep Wrangler, to help you outrun Sleepy Hollow, witches, and mummies. Now, I don't know what vehicle you're currently driving, or what you're thinking of driving next, but if you stay with me till the end of this video, I will tell you how you could drive select models from our award-winning lineup for years without paying any interest on approved credit, and how you could get thousands of dollars in consumer cash and thousands of dollars in bonus cash on select models just because you took us up on our Halloween trade-up challenge. Here's how the Halloween trade-up challenge is going to work. When you're ready, simply click on the Scare Me with a Huge Offer button and complete the Halloween trade-up challenge form. Just tell us what you're driving now, if you're currently leasing, financing, or if your vehicle is paid in full, and what you were thinking of buying next. That's it. This will allow our Halloween trade-up challenge system to automatically and instantly send you all the bonus dollars you qualify for, including your no-strings-attached up to $30,000 trade-in cash voucher, which could get you up to $30,000 for your current vehicle based on its market value in the area, even if you don't end up buying your next vehicle with us. How's that for a no-strings-attached guarantee? All you'll have to do next is to come by the dealership to take a test drive of the model that will send blood coursing through your veins. Figure out the equipment, options, tricks, and treats that will make your head spin. And if you howl with excitement, all the bonus dollars you'll have qualified for will be yours. And don't get frightened if you end up losing your head for another model from our lineup, because we have up to thousands of dollars in total discount on select models, and really low finance and lease rates available on approved credit to make sure we can fit a really low payment into your budget. So, are you up for our spellbinding Halloween challenge? Simply click on the Scare Me with a Huge Offer button and complete the Halloween trade-up challenge form. You just tell us what you're driving now, if you're currently leasing, financing, or if your vehicle is paid in full, and what you were thinking of buying next. It's that simple. So, what are you waiting for? There's no mummies, witch, or werewolf at our dealership, and it's never been this excitingly scary to get the bonus dollars you qualify for anyway. Click on the Scare Me with a Huge Offer button now, before the silver moon is over, and I'll see you right after with more information. Thank you.